Hey everybody, it's Mr. Zaba. Wanted to send out a quick update and a quick preview of what we're going to be talking about here in Chapter 8. Chapter 8 is really focused on two main parts up here. The first part of Chapter 8 is going to be focused primarily on definitions, and the first definition is all going to be about nomials. So we're going to talk about polynomials, we're going to talk about binomials and trinomials. We're going to really define that and kind of put that into context as to what that really means. We're then going to talk about defining what these expressions look like in terms of their degree. So is it a constant expression? Is it a linear, a quadratic, a cubic, or a quartic polynomial? Once we're done with that, we're going to get back into some things that we did first semester, but it's going to look a little bit different. We're going to focus a lot on multiplying, adding, and subtracting our polynomials. And that's going to look a little bit like this. We're going to start with things that look a little bit different than what we did first semester, but we're going to multiply. We're going to take functions or take expressions that look like this and turn them into this. That's going to be a big part of what we're going to be learning about, and that's a big multiplication property. And the second part is going to be the exact opposite. In the second part of this, we're going to be factoring. Factoring is really kind of like unmultiplying. I'm going to be doing the reverse of what we're learning in the first part. Okay? The big part about this, as you can see, is how do I work backwards? Essentially, how do I take this, which was the result in the first part of the chapter, and make it look like this, which was what we started with in the first part of the chapter. So we're going to be going ahead and working in reverse. This does tend to be a challenging chapter, so we want to make sure that we're utilizing all of our extra resources that we have. Those have also been posted on this page. Make sure you utilize them. They will be included in our Google Classroom as well.